I will guide you through how to change the speed in a part of your clip in DaVinci Resolve.
If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We value that so much.
So when you are coming here to your DaVinci Resolve, what you are going to do right here is that you're going to select this edit mode. Make sure that you are in the edit mode, okay? And then you place your timeline bar right from the place that you want to start to increase or to decrease the speed. Just place it right there. So I want to start here to increase the speed. Just place it there. Then you press on your keyboard Ctrl R. It will activate the read time controls, okay? So you can press Ctrl R, or you right click on the clip, then go to read time control and select it, okay? So when you select it, you will see here 100% with this arrow. So this is where you will start. That is why this white bar is here right now. And then click on this arrow down here and so that you can select the speed point. But before you select the speed point, make sure you are taking your bar to where you want to stop the speed change, okay? So just drop it right here. This is where you want to stop it, okay? And when you keep it there, you come here to arrow and then click on the arrow and click add speed points. So this is the beginning of it, and then this is the end of it. We want to change the speed in between, okay? So when you click on the add speed points, you come here and you drag it. If you want to speed up, you just drag it down to the previous point. But if you want to slow it down, you can just drag it upward, okay? So actually I want to speed it up, so I'm dragging it down.
Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to join my free video editing course and class. See you in our next video.